The last class, we have completed the pricing condition type and about their value, attributes, and we discussed yesterday, right?
Yes.
Under the every condition type of price discount, what field is important and what uses of this field in the sales order processing. Okay.
Yes.
So today we'll see the next after the condition type, we define the pricing procedures. Okay. Pricing procedure is a list of pricing condition type. Okay. Like what the price, discount, tax, some other condition type we add in this pricing procedure. Okay. One second. So define and assign pricing procedure. And then you go to the maintain pricing procedure and we have a standard pricing procedure RBAA01. We can use, we can copy it or we can create new also. And we create new and then we maintain the pricing condition type, right? Hmm. One second. Huh? Hmm. This is PRO, then SAP reference ING, sales and distribution, basic function, uh, pricing, then pricing control, and there is a define and assign pricing procedure. Okay, so now here, under the define and assign pricing procedure, set pricing procedures. And transaction code, we have transaction code, V
RV
slash,
double A 0.
and that is the pricing condition, standard I am
This
talking.
is okay.
Transaction code I'm talking. Transaction code is V slash 08. Okay, transaction code V slash 08. Once again, I just see here. V slash 08. Okay. RV double A01, that is the standard pricing procedure. We can use for our purpose, or there is option to create new. Now you want to create new, so click on new entries. Hmm. Now yes, we give the pricing procedure short description. It's like a yeah, any short description. GDR, sleep one. Full description. Enter and first click on save. Now, during the pricing procedure name, select the line. Then the left side option code, procedures control data. Double click. And now, when you click on new entry, here we have multiple fields. You know? See, these are fields we have to know. Okay. So in that, the first will be step. First column, you know? You see column step. Step means sequence of the condition and the pricing procedure, just like a 1, 2, 3. We give which one come first, which one come next. That is the name of the step. Just like, for example, in first step 10, we give our pricing condition GDPR. Huh? This is what is price. After that, we have next step is 20 for discount, right? So here we give 10, 20 step number because we have an interval between 10 to 20, right? 11 to 19. You know, no, interval means what? Interval. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Ah, why give here 10, 20? Why not we given 1, 2? Because we have
The
an
discount.
interval. No, no.
Sorry.
Step number. I'm talking the step
Okay,
number.
okay, okay.
You just concentrate mind here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
10, 20, why we giving step here? Why not we giving 1, 2? Because in 10, 20, in between we have interval. Like 1, 11 to 19. Hai na? Right? There is
Yes,
the gap. 11 to 19. So in future, client want to include any one new condition type in between these two steps. So we have a space is free, 11 to 19, right? So we can add. Got the point?
yes, sir.
Uh, that's why we give the interval here. And counter means counting the steps. Counter by default system will check the zero, means it count the step number one. It will the price. Second step will be discount. Okay, all are different value. Price has different value, discount has different value, tax has different value. So system will counting the step through this counter. In pricing, every condition type has different attribute, different value. This is the concept. And third, here column, we give the condition type. When you call the condition type, system will take the description here, right? Clear? Hmm.
Yes,
Ah. And in second step, suppose you're giving the next condition type, which one? Any other condition type, discount, K007, for example. It will be next step. Hai na? So now,
yes,
there is importance of this from to, hai na? From, and two step, from step to step. From step to step, it helps to determine the value of condition type. Okay, it helps to determine the value of condition type in the next step. Okay, for example, your price will be on the which step? 10 step, right? And discount will be on the which step? 20 step. So discount value will be calculated from 10 step because if in the price we give the discount, right? If 100 rupees I'm charging to you, in that I'm giving 5% discount, right? So discount value will be calculated by system from which step? 10 step, right? This is called range. From which step to which step, the total value will be calculated for the next step. So if discount is there, so discount will be calculated by system on price. Yani price on the which step? 10 step, right? So if I give the in next step without condition type, only giving the price after discount. So how system will calculate the discount price after discount? 10 step price, 20 step discount. 10 or 20 in between the range between two, we will give the total value. Okay, that is called discount will come after the price, and after price total value will come 10 to 20 step. Clear this concept?
yes,
Huh?
yes,
Just
yes,
take example. 10 step we have price. 20 steps we have discount. So discount will be calculated on which step? 10 step. Huh? 10 step we calculate the discount 5%. So in 30 step, I am giving the total value, yani ki 10 step minus 5% discount. है ना? Equal to 95 rupees. This is the calculation from to, है ना? 10 step 100 rupees, 20 step 5% discount. The total price after discount 10 minus 5% yani 95 rupees. This is the concept of from to, right? Clear now?
yes,
Hmm. Now here we have a 4 checkbox. This is for manual required statistic, and release to the relevant to account determination. Okay. So this option manual means suppose any condition type you maintain as a manual entry. For example, price you maintain the manual entry. So whenever we create the sales order, okay, you should have to call the manual price in the manual condition type of price in the order page. Okay. So it's like suppose every time you create a order, sometimes you forgot the condition type to call and you save, the price will be not there. So what option we have? Price cannot be manual. No? It will be automatic come to the sales order page. Okay. Price condition type will be not manually come to the sales order. It will become automatic. So we want manual every time manual call this condition type in the sales order, then we select the manual. Otherwise, no. Okay, clear?
Yes.
We select the manual. That means every time you have to call this condition type manually in the sales order page. And if you not select, then automatic this condition type will become in the sales order. Only thing, only you have to put the value. So that is the one of the difference key. If you maintain manual, so you have to call manual condition type in the sales order. Then after you maintain the price. But if you not select the manual checkbox, system automatic take the condition type in the sales order. Only you have to give the price. Okay, that is advantage. Why we can give every time call the manual condition type in the order page. We can automatic allow to the system to call. So that's why we not select. Hmm. And required means mandatory. You know, some of the condition type mandatory, like price is mandatory, discount is mandatory, yeah, any other. You know? So suppose price is mandatory, tax, you know, tax is mandatory. So if you maintain this required entry, so what system will do? System will ask you maintain the value of this condition type. Otherwise, it will not allow to complete the order. Okay, maintain the tax value, maintain the price value, maintain the discount. Otherwise, it's not allowed to complete because it's a required entry. You know, just like we filling the form and there is a required column. If not maintained, then will not allow. Same here. Required entry means mandatory, right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Statistics is only for information purpose. Statistics only used for information purpose. This statistics condition type value will not calculated in the invoice. Okay, statistics condition type value will not calculate the condition type. Sorry, in the sales order. Yeah, invoice. Why? Because see, for example, you have an internal price. Internal price. You want to calculate in the invoice? No. Yeah, you want to show the internal price to the customer. Okay, this is my internal price. No. Yes. Tell me. Some of the condition type which not post in the accounting. Some of the condition type value not post in the accounting because that is for internal purpose. Okay, that is only for information purpose, just like the cost price. So that we can make it a statistic. And relevant for account determination means which it is relevant for account determination or not. Let's see. This is for relevant account determination means this price continue to static and there is a relevant or not. This pricing condition type will be if pricing condition type is statistic mode we have, so you want to maintain the accounting entry, then you can select. Otherwise, no. Okay. Just like a cost price. Cost price cannot be included in the inventory, right? 1 second, just coming back. Huh. Yes. So what I'm telling you, this concept is clear. Statistic mode means what? Statistic means for information purpose only, है ना? Not using the invoice, not including the invoice. Some of the condition type that make as a statistic mode, we not calculating the invoice, and that will be relevant to account determination or not. So it's not relevant to account determination because we don't want to send this internal price to the entry for the account determination because it already has internal price maintain the accounting entry, right? This is the point. Here, just like one more condition type, SKQ, cash discount. Cash discount only used for information purpose in the sales order. Okay, but it's not reflect in the invoice. When it reflect in to the customer, when it get the benefit of SKQ cash discount
After invoicing.
after the invoicing, when you get the benefit.
So that the payment terms maintained
In payment terms, if you pay within that time period,
14 days.
then
Yeah.
you get benefited, right? So till
Yes.
now, the value will not reflect in the accounting entry, right? It's not used for
Yes.
the invoicing process also. You can see this is the cash discount I'm giving to you. Otherwise, you will claim this is the cash discount. It mentioned the invoice. Give me the cash discount. But no, that cash discount will not immediately return to you. It will be come after the payment, even after the payment within time period. Not like after the payment you get immediate. No, if you pay within 14 days, then you get benefit. Otherwise, you pay in 30 days, that will be disappear. It not include, right? So some of the condition type value will not reflect immediate in the invoice, and that is only we use for internal purpose, for information purpose. So we maintain statistic mode, and that will not relevant to account determination till payment is done. And after payment is done, also it within time period done, then it will become okay. This is the concept. And you want to take the print out of this price discount or any other condition type, so we have option to select. Suppose in invoice, you want to take the print of the price. Yes, then select the X price printing at item label. For discount also want to same? Yes. Okay. Subtotal actually it is a temporary tables and fields in this column. This is basically used for storing the value of cost price for the calculation of profit margin, that is B. And there is one more subtotal temporary table field rebate that is used for only storing the value for rebate. These two. And another one is also there, A, that is for credit given to credit to the customer. I'll come to this. Here not requiring price and discount for maintain a subtotal. But requirement it say item with pricing. है ना? We select item with pricing. Item with pricing means like see, suppose the product we selling to the customer, that item which is relevant for pricing or not relevant for pricing, then we can maintain. Okay. Otherwise, have seen in the some of the item category. See, we have item category TAN. This item category has pricing standard, right? But we have one more item category TANN. This is not relevant for pricing. This is not relevant for pricing. This is free, free of cost good. So system asking, you want to maintain the requirement, this item is relevant for pricing or not. If pricing is there, then you can select. Otherwise, no pricing, so not select. So suppose pricing, yes. And the value of this condition type, the value of this price condition type, where it post, where it go, in which department they will give the value of this condition type. Value of condition type, it post to the which department? Account department, right?
Yes.
Correct. Account department has received the value of this condition type. Suppose, see, price. What is the price? 1,000 rupees, 10,000 for example. So when we do the invoice, the payment of 10,000 will become to the which department? Finance department. In finance department, there is a general ledger account, where this value of 10,000 will be post. So that the payment will be received by finance department because they have received the details of this price in the GL account. So this price value 10,000 will be posted to the respective GL account. So there is a one key that is called account key. That is called account key. This key is playing the role of posting the value of condition type price, not only price, other also, to the GL account. That key is called ERL. Okay. What is the role of this key? This role of this key is posting the value of this 10,000 to the GL account. In which department? We are in the sales and distribution, and there is a GL account. Which department? Finance department, right? The value of this account condition type will be posted to the correct GL account. So we have account key because it's account key assigned with GL account. Account key assigned with GL account. So that value of this condition type posted to the finance department. So there is a option here. Account key for price ERL. ERL means revenue. Price is revenue for the company. We maintain. Clear? Ah. And there is a accruals. Accruals account key basically used for rebate concept. And a rebate concept. This is for rebate only. Just like we have one account key for rebate, that is ERP. See, is ERP. The accrual key is also one of the key which help to the uh, value of this condition type post in the account department. But account key for accrual means it is a connected to the provisional account in finance. The two account. One is main account. That is, we have direct posting the value of this condition type in the general ledger account. That is called main account. There is a provisional account. Provisional account is a temporary account where the value will be saved. Just like suppose you every month you're purchasing the goods. Yeah, every 1 week you're purchasing the goods. So you're receiving the point in your card. Card. Card means point means cashback. Some cashback amount. So every month you purchasing the goods and you receiving the some value, it will be stored in that temporary account. So if you claim for that, that value will be come out to the main account for your payment, right? Suppose every month you purchasing the goods and 10.5% point is adding your card. So at the end of total transaction, your total point will be 100 point. So 100 point will be claimed by you. Okay, this is the 100 point. I want to redemption. So 100 point redemption value, whatever you receive, you can withdraw. So that till that this value will be stored in temporary account that is called provisional account. So this is the accrual key which connect to the provisional account for posting the only value of rebate amount. Every time you order 2%, 3% rebate amount is stored in your card. But once you pay your invoice amount, then you get the benefit. Got the point? Okay, every month you order and you paying and point is adding in some provisional account through this accounting key connected. So whenever you claim, that amount will be come to the main account for your payment. That is the use of accrual. Accrual means provision connected to the provisional account. So accrual is a provisional account which help to keep some money aside, keep some money aside from each transaction to meet the future requirement of rebate settlement. Just like every time you purchasing the goods, some of the amount keep to the another account only for rebate purpose. If this is the 2% you receiving the amount, the 3% amount you're receiving, that will be keeping in the separate page. So that account is called accrual account. So now we have added. Now discount also one of the condition type, which value of discount will be also posted to the correct GL account in finance. Price is posted to the correct GL account. Same discount also will be posted to the correct GL account in finance. So there is another accounting key which only posting the value of this discount in the another GL account. That account key is ERS, sales deduction. See, sales deduction. Okay, sales deduction. This account key, which has assigned to the separate general ledger account for only discount related. Discount is not revenue; it is a deduction. So this account key will be update the value of only discount in the GL account. This is the account. Now, let's see, after this, we add the another condition type, for example, MWST. Enter, this is a condition type for tax. When you enter this condition type MWST, then system asking, this is the mandatory condition type, requirement 10, calculation 16, and account key MWST. Now we'll have to do. This account, this condition type tax will be maintained as a required mandatory condition type. Okay, and requirement it's telling 11, sorry, 10. 10 means plant is said. Requirement is a routine. See, it is routine, and routine has program. See, if you select this requirement, multiple routine is here. I'm selecting the 10 and click on source text. Okay, when you click on source text, see, this is a program LV6. This is a program. Here you can see this is written by ABAP consultant. What program say require? See, a plant is or departure country set. Now, what it means? If we adding the tax condition type, plant should be maintained. If plant is not maintained in the enterprise structure, then tax amount will be not calculated. Without plant, we cannot do calculation of tax. So requirement is a condition which system will check every time while determining the condition type into the sale document. Like suppose we adding the tax amount, so system will check plant is maintained or not. If plant is maintained, then tax will be calculated. If requirement fulfilled, then only the condition type value will be determined in the sale document. If requirement not fulfilled, then value of this condition type will not calculate the sales document. Simple. If plant is not maintained, enterprise structure, the value condition tax will be not calculated. If plant is maintained, the value of condition type plant tax will be calculated. This is the requirement. Requirement means qualification of this condition type. The condition type will be qualified only when plant is maintained. If not maintained, this condition type value will be not calculated. This is a concept. Requirement is a routine which is written by ABAP concept. And there is a calculation formula. This is also routine. It's telling calculation formula is 16. This is net value. And tax will be on which value? Net value, net price. System will calculate the tax on net price. This is another routine we have. This is also, you can see source text. Click on source text. See, net value mine. So these are the routine actually written by ABAP consultant. And I'll show you one page where see the different routine is written. One second. First we select this 16 because it's asking net tax will be on net price. This written will be written. And tax also one of the the value of tax also will be come to the general ledger account. What are the tax amount we have for this customer? 2%, 3%. So it will be come to the another GL account through this account key. Which account key? MWS, tax on sales purchase. So what is the use of this account key? Account key playing the role of posting the value of this condition type, price, discount, tag in the respective GL account. Okay, because this account key assigned with GL account for posting the value. Here, now after this we add one more condition type. No condition. I'm just giving total. Excuse me, total price. Total price. See first, what is the routine here? Net value. That will be on net price. Okay. So where the net price come? Tell me here. In which step net price is come?
10.
10 to gross price, na. After discount,
Okay.
it become net
Okay.
price,
Okay.
right? Correct. 10 to
Yes.
total price, but after discount, the total price will be for net price.
Okay.
Right?
30.
So if you want to calculate the tax on gross price, then you can give the 10. Suppose you want to calculate the price after the discount and then add tax, so you can give the 10. So here, first, this output tax condition type value will be calculated on net price. So 30 steps. And 30 steps we have a net price. Then if we calculate the total price, net price plus tax, so 30 and 40 steps. 30 step net price plus 40 step tax. That's like 95 rupees plus 2% tax. 30 step 95 rupees, 40 step 2% tax. So 30 plus 40, this is the from to concept, right? You can see here. This is the uh, uh, 40 step tax. So tax will be calculated on this step, 30 step. 95 rupees we have. So we calculate tax on which step? 30 step. We got 95 rupees. And total tax will be, a total amount will be calculated. Yani 90, 30, 40. Yani 30 step, 95 rupees plus tax will be 2%. So this is our total value will be calculated from two steps. 30 step, sorry, this is the 2% tax. So this 95 rupees on 30 step and 40 step, we have 2% tax, 90 plus 2, 95 plus 2, this is equal to 34. This is the range between, the range between calculate the total value for the further steps. So this is the, so now here we have it. Apart from that, see, we can add some other condition type here. Let's see, for example, internal price. We give the internal price, which is the internal price condition type, VPRS. We add this condition type. VPRS enter, then system asking this condition type is a statistic mode because we're not using the invoicing and require subtotal is B, requirement is 4. First, this condition type will make as a statistic mode. Why it's a statistic mode? In internal price will not using the calculation of invoice. It will not include the invoice. Will not show in the invoice this is a cost price. Okay, this is only for information purpose. Now there is a subtotal. Subtotal is a temporary table and field for storing the value of this cost price. See, what that subtotal say? D. So subtotal, it has a table and field. See, this is the KOMP is a table, temporary table, and hyphen WAVWR, that is a field. This temporary table and field basically used to store the value of cost price only for calculation of profit margin. Whenever the customer order for particular product, system will store the cost price of this product in the temporary tables and fields. Okay, just a minute, huh? Just like suppose your product, let's say for example, free, है ना? You order the free, yeah, washing machine, sorry, washing machine. In washing machine, use maybe cost price is 5,000. Okay. So whenever you place the order, like for example, you order 10 uh, pieces of washing machine. So what are the total cost price of 10 pieces of washing machine? Maybe 50,000. Okay. This 50,000 will be stored in the one temporary table and field. There is store the value of 50,000 for this product. Why? Because we have to calculate the profit margin. Profit margin, how we can calculate? We calculate the profit margin selling minus cost price, right? So suppose we selling price is 10,000. So total value 1 lakh. Okay. 1 lakh minus 50,000. So this is the total value. Sorry, this is the total profit margin come 50,000, right? So if you want to calculate the profit margin, so this every time customer will view the order, the value of this order cost price value, not selling price, will be stored in the temporary table and field, so that we can calculate the profit margin. Okay, this is the concept. So here we give the this is the temporary tables and fields. B for storing the value, and requirement say if cost price is maintained, then this value will be come. If cost price is maintained to the material master, then value will become. So I'm selecting the cost price here. What system is telling to us? Requirement. If this cost price is maintained, see, determine the cost price. Hai. The cost price where it maintained? This cost price where it maintained? The cost price maintained to the material master. So remember the material master, accounting one tab. See, this is the cost price. Okay. This is what is called standard price means cost price, right? Standard price means what? It's a cost price. This is the cost price. This cost price is maintained here, 7,000 or 5,000, whatever. This cost price value will be come to the sales order. Okay. If cost price is not maintained, the material master accounting one tab, this value will be not come to the sales order. So this is the requirement say, if cost price is maintained to the material master, then value will be determined by system. Otherwise, no. If cost price is not maintained, system will not determine the cost value of this product in the sales order. This is a requirement. Here, requirement means what? Then, suppose you want to add freight charges. So we go to the KF00, enter. So freight is also one of the revenue. When we charging to the customer like 10 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, it will be also post to the correct GL account. So there is a account key for freight charges also. We have ERF, see, ERF for freight revenue. This is used for posting the value of freight in the GL account. And freight will be calculated on which basis? You have given the answer last time. Freight will be calculated on which basis?
Weight.
Weight
Weight of
basis.
the material.
Weight of the material. So there is a calculation formula here. Freight will be always on the weight wise. See, either gross weight wise you want or net weight wise. So gross weight, overall weight. So this is the formula. It is a routine. It says if freight will not calculate by quantity wise or by percentage wise, because It will be based on shipment process where how much weight for that we are charging to the customer. So gross weight. So I'm just selecting the formula. It's for gross. Okay. Yeah. Then there is some other condition that also we have. Let's see. Apart from that, we have cash discount. है ना? We use the SKTO. SKTO. है ना? SKTO. When we call the SKTO system, telling this is also statistic mode and requirement is 9, base calculation is 11. Because why it is statistic mode? Because it will not show use in the sales order, even it's not under the invoice. It will become after the invoice. Payment is done, then it will be appear. So it will be a statistic mode. Sub requirement is it's a 9. 9 means qualification for cash discount. Suppose you qualified for cash discount. When you qualified, when you pay within 14 days, then you qualified, right? If not pay within 14 days, you're not qualified. So this is the cash discount condition type value only will be determined by the system when you pay within 14 days. You qualified for cash discount, right? This is a requirement. Requirement is routine. It has a condition. This condition value will be only determined by system when we fulfill their requirement. But fulfill the requirement within 14 days you pay, you get the discount. If not pay, you not get the discount. This is the routine. And here also formula it's a 11. This is for base price. Cash discount only on base price. Hai na? Base price. What is the total base price? For that we give you the cash discount. This is so we add there. Apart from there, some other condition type also we have free goods condition type, intercompany price, rebate also. So when we go to the topic by topic, then we can see. This is the all we have maintained in our pricing procedure, and we keep on see. In future, any other condition that I want to add, we can add also for the purpose of any calculation. For example, we want to add in between, see, there is a customer discount plus after the customer discount, and you want to calculate the profit margin. Profit margin like a selling price minus cost price. This is the cost price. This is the selling price. So in that you want to calculate the profit margin. Then also we maintain the profit margin, right? Profit margin, how much you come. This is also one of the option. So these are the standard. Sorry, this we can maintain, or we have some standard also pricing procedure. See, go back. Here also you can see by country wise also they have defined the pricing procedures. See, this is all our different country wise they have maintained the pricing. Okay, like this. Clear? Now we have maintained this condition type and the pricing procedure. And next, after the pricing procedure maintained, even we have standard also, you can see RBAA01. There is a different condition type. See, they all are related to printing. This is for requirement for, this is the item with pricing. We maintain item with pricing also. And this is accounting key we have maintained, accounting key for price, revenue, something, right? This is the option we have. And this is subtotal. This is a cost price, this is a cost price, gross value means total price value. So this is also one of the temporary table and field for overall value. So these all are we can add as per requirement. Now after the pricing procedure defined, then next we have a step is set custom pricing procedure and set document pricing procedure. One. So there is a two parameter to determination of pricing in the sales order. One is custom pricing procedure, another one is document pricing procedure. The custom pricing procedure, which is based on custom master, and document pricing procedure which is based on sales document. Okay, sales document like inquiry, quotation, order, and these are the sales document. So the two parameter defined by consultant, and that is used assigned to the customer master and sales doc. So this parameter actually why it's important, because this parameter maintained in the customer and sales document, system will not determine the pricing in the sales document. Okay, so that is compulsory. So when we define the pricing procedure, it will be only determined by system based on these two parameters. One is custom pricing procedure from the customer master. Second is a document pricing procedure from the sales doc. Okay. Uh, these two parameters we have to define. The define customer pricing procedure and assign to the customer master. Define document pricing procedure and assigned to the sales document like inquiry quotation. These two parameters must be defined and maintained, then pricing will be determined by system. So here first we go to the set customer pricing procedure here. Set customer pricing procedure, double click, and there is a, see, these are the standard also we have. No, and the predefined also. Basically, this is actually defined by consultant and assigned by end user to the customer master in customer master. Okay, if not assigned, then system will not determine the any pricing information. Right? See, just I'm opening one more window. I'm going to sorry. I'm going to the I'll check the customer master BP transaction code. Now in customer in BP business partner start. See, in under the business partner, which role we have FLCU01, customer in HD. Okay, select the role, then first click on display to change button, sales and distribution, and select the sales area. Suppose we have multiple sales here, then select the sales area, transfer. Now here in the first tab, order tab, we have this column here, customer pricing procedure. And these are the options we have available to select. And this is one of the parameter. If not maintain to the customer master any one parameter, which whether is standard or defined one, system will not determine the pricing. So this parameter, this multiple option for custom pricing procedure basically defined by consultant here in configuration page C. And a set custom pricing procedure. Let's say, for example, I'm new entry, I'm giving my own parameter for GY. It's just like a cartridge. No, cartridge customer standard. For example, I just given the parameter custom pricing procedure. What is this one? Name and click on save. This is defined by consultant only, and this is assigned by end user. Okay, end user has job to assign this customer pricing procedure to the every customer. If not assigned, system will not determine the pricing. Let's see here. Come back to the customer master. Here, the HANA G1 and click on to. Now we have maintained this parameter for this customer. And next, after defining the customer pricing procedure for customer master, next back, then set document pricing procedure to the sales document. Okay. Now here we have these also we have a standard. This is actually very tough sign. Let me show you. First, I'm going to the sales document. Then you can see the idea. VOV8 transaction code we use. Now VOV8. Now here we have a sales document. Our sales document is inquiry, quotation, order. It's like inquiry, quotation, order. I'm selecting inquiry. This is a document pricing procedure. This is standard assign, but we can define here to assign our own. Here also new entry. I'm just giving G1 and just got this. है something. And save. So now it's defined here and come back to the here. In the every sales document like inquiry quotation order, we can assign. Otherwise, if not assigned, system will not determine the pricing. So here this no. This for inquiry or we do, then we can do for quotation also, order also, quotation here also, है ना? And order also. Now done. So now we have two parameters. One is for customer master, another for sales document. After defining and assigning this customer pricing procedure and document pricing procedure to the customer and sales document, then we have a last and final step. One second. So we have a last step that is called get pricing procedure determination. Okay, the pricing procedure determination basically based on these three. What three? Combination, pricing procedure determination by system based on sales area, like sales organization, distribution channel division, plus custom pricing procedure that we maintain to the customer master, and document pricing procedure we have maintained to the sales document. This parameter, and two parameters. So here pricing procedure determined by system based on sales area plus custom pricing procedure from the customer master, document pricing procedure from the sales document. Let's see here. When the option, see, see this one. Sales organization, distribution channel division, plus document pricing procedure from the sales document and custom pricing procedure from the customer master, then pricing procedure. So this combination we maintain sales area plus document pricing procedure plus custom pricing procedure plus pricing procedure. If not, if you maintain the perfect combination, then system will determine the pricing in the sales order. So now the last final step we complete that pricing procedure determination. Transaction code is also important. We have to know. See, what is transaction code? OVAA. OVAA. Okay. So now here we go to the new page. First, sales organization. We select the sales organization, distribution channel division here. I think sales organization, GDS1, distribution channel. We have multiple distribution channel. We can select the or distribution channel, GD, then division, and document pricing procedure, which we maintain to the sales document. That is here we have G1, huh? G1, right? And custom pricing procedure also we have the same maintained G1. And the last column is we have pricing procedure. We select the pricing procedure. Enter. This is the one combination, sales organization, distribution channel division with document pricing procedure, custom pricing procedure. Suppose one more combination we have sales area, sales organization, distribution channel with division 2 and document pricing procedure and custom pricing procedure with pricing procedure. So like that. So this combination we maintain. Okay. If this combination is not maintained, the system will not determine the pricing in the sales order. And click on save. So now we have completed this setup of all. This is the last step, but very important. We have to know. So now we have the pricing procedure. We have to complete till here. Configuration. Configuration start from condition table, access sequence, then condition type, then condition access sequence assigned to condition type, then define and assign pricing procedure. First we have maintained the pricing procedures, then we have defined the custom pricing procedure and assigned to the custom master, and we have defined the document pricing procedure we assign to the sales document. Then we have to define pricing procedures. Determination. The last fifth step is condition record, which is into the job. We'll see. Okay, that we once we create the inquiry quotation order, then that time we can see what is the importance of condition record. Okay, one second. So we have completed the pricing. Next, we'll see how to create the inquiry quotation order in the sales. Okay, and without condition record and with condition record, what differences come in sales order? Okay, for the pricing. So we'll see. So we'll take a few minute break. Okay, at least 5-7 minutes, and we'll continue. We'll back, and then we can do the process of inquiry quotation order with pricing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We'll take a break, na? And
Yes,
I think 9-7 is there, so we can continue by 9:15. Okay, 9:15.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes, hello.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Yes, so continue. Have you breakfast? Yes or no?
No, sir.
हाँ,
Yet, yes, yet to
बॉम्बे का तो
make.
ब्रेकफास्ट मिसल
हाँ,
पाव
रेडी
वड़ा
हो.
पाव
Yes.
है ना?
आपका हो गया सर?
नहीं मेरा भी नहीं हुआ। मुझे याद है बॉम्बे में ऑफिस जाने का टाइम था मेरा 8 o'clock। और उस समय जानते
Okay.
हो कितना रश रहता ट्रेन में, हेवी रश।
Yes, yes,
फ्रॉम
yes,
बोरीवली टू अंधेरी आई यूज टू गो देयर एवरी डे।
yes.
So
Western line.
morning we don't have time to have a breakfast something, so we just generally prefer बड़ा पाव। और वो भी
Yes,
ऐसे
yes.
बड़ा पाव नहीं है, बस चलते चलते खा रहे हैं बड़ा पाव।
Correct,
बाय
correct.
वॉकिंग बाय ट्रेन वी हैविंग बड़ा पाव एंड तो वहाँ का है ही।
Yes.
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ,
Fast time.
हाँ, एक बॉम्बे में मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा कहाँ पे है वो, और बैंड्रा या कहीं पे है वो, एक पारसी रेस्टोरेंट है ना, पारसी जो वेरी फेमस फॉर बन मस्का और ये कब वगैरह के लिए, याद है कहीं पे?
Okay. नहीं, नहीं. मरल
बन
में है
मस
क्या गुलाटी करके?
हाँ, कौन सा
मरल में है
गुलाटी?
क्या? हाँ.
मरोल, हाँ मरोल, मरोल करेक्ट कर, मरोल मरोल, हाँ मरोल में भी है। और एक वहां पे है क्या बोलते हैं, साइन के पास, साइन या वडाला के पास कहीं पे,
Okay.
तो बड़ी फेमस, हाँ। और उसका बड़ा मस्का बन मस्का बहुत फेमस है। हाँ, हाँ, ठीक है। तो वी कंप्लीटेड दिस सेल्स, टिल नाउ वी हैव कंप्लीटेड ऑल द प्राइसिंग कॉन्फ़िगरेशन एक्सेप्ट कंडीशन रिकॉर्ड, है ना? कंडीशन रिकॉर्ड का कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है? टू मेंटेन द प्राइस फॉर द प्रोडक्ट फॉर द कस्टमर डिफरेंटली, है ना? So we'll see without condition record, with condition record, what difference is. So in the pricing as procedure completed, then we have to go to the run the sales process. In the sales process, we have start from inquiry, that is called pre-sales activities. Okay, correct. Inquiry we have just like a formal way to customer check the product price, quality, everything, and we kept as a record as inquiry in the system. That is called inquiry. So we have a transaction code, VA11 to create, VA12 for change, and VA13 for display. Right, create, change, and display. And VA15 to see the list of inquiry, how many inquiry we have in the system. So we can see the list of inquiry by VA15. And in the main page, we have two options. Either you can use direct transaction code, VA11, create or change or display, or else we have in the main page, logistic. Under the logistic, we have sales and distribution, then sales, then inquiry, and create. Uh, we'll see both options. है ना? Uh, main page, logistic, then sales and distribution, sales, inquiry. VA11, VA12, VA13, quotation, VA21, VA22, VA23, and order VA01, VA02, VA03. Three transactions. Let's see, first we go to the VA11, create. Here, we select the inquiry type. We have a standard IN, or we have our own inquiry type also, got is inquiry. Here we give the sales organization, distribution channel, division, then sales office, and sales group. Enter. Here, either want to give manual inquiry number, so you have option to select from this number range, otherwise leave it blank. So system automatic assign the number for the inquiry. There is a sold to party, the ID of the customer we find from this list. We know the customer sales area, so we can give the sales area, then click on continue. System will show two customer we have. I'm selecting one customer, enter. Uh, the currency LE, the currency INR 20 conversion. One second, I'll just take some issue. One second, white coming. This is not an issue actually. This is something warning message given by system. Be it GT, GT. The ISO code assigned to the current currency code is not unique and the primary flag is not set. The currency code can therefore not to use external communication. This is just giving the warning message. The currency code INR ALE communication not allowed. Why it's coming? Just I'm checking the issue, and then if not a major issue, we can skip. Uh, Wherever we see the issue, now we have to read the issue number, message number, and type in the Google so we can get the solution also, right? Correct? Ah, it's an issue against the early communication. 1 second. Issue. Actually, some table, it's showing some table and field someone recreated. Okay, that's the reason. This is actually, these technical people also doing the practice in that or not. I think they have changed. Any solution, so we can do. Otherwise, not a big issue, so we can skip. Uh, let's see code ISO 1. Someone choose. Okay, anyway, this is not a big issue. Later we can check. Now I'm going to, because this issue is related to currency, some setting has been done changes. So it is on the finance module. So you have to check some solution for that. Okay. Now here we're calling this customer. Then this inquiry has validity also. It may be 1 day, 1 month, something. So let's say, for example, this inquiry has valid for only till 20th. This is valid for 20th. Then the customer do the inquiry for what? We can select the product. Like which product? Here, inquiry the this one, na? Or one free camera, something. Right. I think out of these 4 products, which I ask you to, which not including the system. Remember, I think 1 second. Let's one by one check.
7142.
4144049, no? 414
Yeah, 4,
4
41 and 40.
because of some currency issue, right?
Yeah, issue.
Correct.
Yes.
Yeah, correct. Currency issue. So 42 and 7151, right? We can take 4242. This one. And with quantity, like suppose you inquire for 10 quantity, we maintain. One, one. Then 7151. This is also, we have one other product. Customer do the inquiry for 10 quantity. So 7141, 42 and 7151. These two product customer do the inquiry. So when we call this product in the order page, okay, and if we maintain the pricing procedure determination rule for customer master and material sales document, then system will find the pricing here. So if you click on header details, see this is a header option. See, display header details. Click on header so you can see this is a pricing procedure. If any changes in the customer master, like see, for example, I'll give you one example because you have to know why importance of custom pricing procedure. If you go to the customer master and if you see this customer got is one distributor, we have maintained this custom pricing procedure, right? But instead of this, I'm changing one. I'm not giving G1. I'm change with that and click on save. Now here you can see system determine the pricing because of customer parameter. But if I change the custom pricing page in the custom master, again back and create the inquiry for this customer. One second, just V11, correct the inquiry type, detail. Now system is giving the message, no pricing procedure could be determined. If you click on that, what system is telling to us? This combination is required. See, but this combination one is missing because of we have maintained one in the customer. But instead of one, we have to give which one? G1 because we have maintained this parameter G1 only. So if you maintain this, then system will determine the pricing. Because of this concept, why important? If you go to the pricing procedure determination rule, which rule? Pricing procedure determination rule, that OVKK. See, this rule means you have maintained all this combination perfect way. Which one? Like this. If not anything missing here, system will not accept. Okay. If your G1 is here, but in sales document we have maintained different. If G1 is here in customer here, but in customer we have maintained different, system will not determine the pricing. This is the rule. Now it is not determining because we have changed. Now we again back with the same combination, enter and calling the customer. Once again, it's required to refresh, then we can. Now it's calling customer entity. Also, once again, just back. See, we have maintained this one, G1 in the customer. Now we have changed and maintain here. Now, once we maintain the perfect combination, then we create the inquiry. Then system will take the details of pricing. See here, right? Still not updated because of this reason. We back and then again come back. Sometimes we need time to update. Selected because of this, the system will determine the pricing here. So when you call the customer details, system will copy all the information of the customer from the customer master, like the customer document currency, customer logistic also, and customer sales office, sales group, shipping, what shipping condition of customer standards, billing document, and terms of payment, Incoterms, condition not here, price, partner function, system will copy all the information, text, any text message, you can write here, and below we have item table. Am I calling the item with quantity? Item with quantity. And validity for inquiry. Now, when you call the item here, select the line, double click. See, this item label also system will copy the information. Material code, sales fee we have, material group, division, No. See, this is a customer got a HNI customer, which is from the customer also maintain shipping, plant, billing document, conditions. Condition, see, price is not taken by system. Why? Because we have not maintained the condition record. If we maintain the condition record, then price will be taken by system automatic here. Otherwise, system asking to give price manually. And I've called the price, and for this mobile, I'm giving price manually, right? If you maintain the condition record, then system will take the price here. So now I'll show you. Without maintain the condition record, you can give manual price to the every sales order for the customer. If you maintain, then you can call the condition. One second. This is the actually this this condition type is required entry. So it's asking to maintain the condition value, but this is not manually we can give. We can have a one configuration required for tax, then system will take the value. So for the time being, I'm just removing this condition type as a mandatory condition type. Otherwise, system will ask to give the value for that. Okay. And value will not, we can give manual. It will be automatic. Tax will not click, we can use manual, right? It will be not manual we can give. It will be automatic. So for that automatic tax determination, we need to configure the tax determination. That is the help of FI we do. Okay. For time being, I'm just making a not mandatory option and in back OVK. Ah. So without condition record, if you create the inquiry quotation order, system will ask you to give the price manually here. Okay. Right. Just like I'm calling to product in the inquiry page, enter, and selecting the line, double click, condition, system asking to give the price manually here, right? But if you maintain the condition records, then system will automatically take the price for this product for this customer automatic. So what we do, we see now we go to see the how to maintain the condition record, right? Without condition record, system will not take the price. Now we maintain the condition record. So we on the main page, logistic, sales and distribution, master data, conditions, select using condition type, and VK11 create. VK2 for change, VK13 for display. Now, three transaction code we have. We go to VK11 create. And here we select the condition type, which condition type of price we are using. GDPR, what is price? When it's called this condition type, enter, system giving this condition table. System search the condition table through the access sequence. We select the condition table first, customer slash material. Choose customer material. Say 1142. This material mobile may be price for this customer. I'm giving 9,000. Say 1151. This product is called camera. I'm giving customer price is 4,500. This is maintain the condition record. If this customer 1005 order these two products 7142, 71551, system will take the price of this product 9,000, 4,500 because we have maintained the condition record. Before maintaining condition record, we can give price manually here. Now we can see. After maintain the condition record, now we create the inquiry again and call the customer, validity, enter, then material, quantity, enter. Select the line, double click and click on condition. System taking the price here, right? Clear? How system will take the price 9,000 for this customer from where?
Condition table.
Condition record.
Yes,
And condition record has maintained this material and customer field. So that's why system taking the price here. And this is the item category for inquiry, AFN. Come to the schedule line. Schedule line category for 80, but schedule line only for delivery scheduling. Okay, now text and the item label, you want to see the text, you can see any text message you want to maintain, you can maintain for this. For this item also we have, and some other item also you can see. Second line item, double click. This material also we have price 4,500 taken by system. Okay. And selling price is 4,500, right? And this is cost price. Okay. Cost price. Cost price always internal price, right? This price
standard
condition
price.
type value 1,000. System will taken from where? System is taken from material master. In accounting one tab, what price we have maintained, cost price. This is the price system will taken here. Automatic, no need to. Clear? Now, if you want to maintain any other condition type, okay, like discount, you can have manual entry. You can set the discount condition type and some other also, right? Clear? Ah. But whatever the condition type, you have maintained the condition record, system will take the value from there. If not maintain the condition record, you can give value manually here, right? Here, so this is the inquiry, and we have maintained the details. And then after maintaining all the details, click on save. Once you click on save, system will generate the inquiry number. This is called inquiry, right? This is called inquiry. For any changes you want to do in later for inquiry, you can go by VA12, change, enter. And here you want to edit any information, you can edit. Suppose you want to change the quantity, change the validity, something you can change here. Okay. And if you click on this button, display document flow, status of inquiry will be show open inquiry. Why? Because inquiry is not converted to the quotation. If inquiry is converted to the quotation, then status of inquiry will show as a completed. Okay. Till it show as a incomplete, open, sorry, not incomplete, open. Clear now? Then after the inquiry, we have next to see the quotation. One, two. So next we go to the after the inquiry. We have quotation VA21 to create, VA22 for change, VA23 for display. So VA21 to create, here we have option to select the quotation type, QT standard or GDQT. So there is two options you have. If you have already maintained the inquiry for the same customer for the same material, so you can create the quotation with reference, okay? But if not maintain any inquiry for this customer, you can direct go to create quotation. Click enter, you can give all the details manually here. But if you already maintain the inquiry record for the customer, what we do, we fill all the information here. And there is an option called create with reference. You click on create with reference, and here system asking give the inquiry number. So you can search the inquiry number by sales organization. We can search. Notes coming, so we have another option, sales document by customer. Click on sales document by customer. Customer number we have, remember, 1005 game. So see, these are customer inquiry number. Double click, it come to here. Once you call the this sales inquiry number and click on copy, what system will do? System will copy all the information from inquiry to quotation at three level. Display header details, you can see all the header level information. Item level also system copy all the information, right? Correct. And for the quotation also we have validity. Valid from valid to, like for example, this is for 28th. And select the line, double click, multi-line, double click, and you see all the information. System already copied all the information. See, schedule line, date of delivery, item category, partner function, text, any text message you want to write. Like now we click on save. Once you click on save, system will give this message. This document is incomplete. It may be some information is not maintained. It is a important. This incompletion procedure, why is giving the control like this document is incomplete. If you go to the sales document for any document like inquiry, quotation, order, we have option here. You can see this is the incompletion. This incompletion procedure is a control which by system, if any information is not maintained and missing in the sales document, it show as incomplete. Just here, see, it's showing as a incomplete because some of the information is not maintained. Some of the field is not maintained. If some of the field is not maintained, system gives a message. Would you like to save or edit the incomplete document? If you want to edit, then you go to the edit option. Here asking system asking shipping point to shipping point. From quotation, shipping point is mandatory. Suppose you come to the shipping point. Here you know the shipping point. Okay. This is your shipping point, but system will not accept. GDS one exit. One second. GDS one. System is not accepting because system is giving a message. Shipping condition 01, loading group 003, plant GDP1 not defined. Okay. This combination actually we have to do under the shipping point determination rule. This is the part of logistic execution. This concept is called shipping point determination. Shipping point basically determined by system based on shipping condition from the customer 01, loading room from the material. So I'm just showing one document. Will help you to understand. That is called shipping point determination. Shipping point. First, we know the shipping point is what? Shipping point is the place from where the product will be moved to the customer location. The departure point, goods movement departure point. So shipping point basically determined by system based on this four combination. Shipping condition, which is maintained to the customer, what maintain, loading group from in material, what we maintain the loading group, and plant and shipping point. This combination we maintain by this transaction code OVL2. Okay, OVL2. The shipping condition from the customer, loading room for the material we maintain. In the page which called shipping point determination, the transaction code is OVL2. Let's see. First, shipping condition, what we have in the customer, we check. In customer master, we go to the customer master BP transaction code, and in customer sales and distribution under the shipping tab, this is a shipping condition. This shipping condition of customer. Now we'll go to the material master. In material master under the sales general plant data. The sales general plant data. Loading group 0003. These two important. Shipping condition 01 from the customer, loading group from the material 003. This will be maintained on one page that will called shipping point determination. So let's see. OVL2 transaction code. we can use shipping point determination rule. Otherwise, you can go to the SPRO, then SAP reference ING, then say, under the logistic, this is part of logistic execution. Under the logistic execution, there is a shipping and there is a basic shipping functions and there is a shipping point and good receiving point determination here. And there is a assigned shipping point. See, this is the option. This is called shipping point determination. So click on new entry button. What shipping condition we have in the customer master maintained? Which one? Prasanna,
Yes, sir.
shipping condition, what we have maintained the customer?
One, no?
One, yeah. And loading group, material master we have maintained?
Manual. Sorry.
Okay. Manual, fork feed, crane. So we have maintained manual. Select
Yes.
manual and then plant, GDP1
GDP1.
and shipping point. Hai. This combination we maintain. What combination? Shipping condition from customer, loading from the material, plant and shipping point. If you maintain this combination, then system will take the shipping point in the sales document. Otherwise, cannot give. See, system is taking the shipping point here, right? Because we have maintained the combination, shipping condition from customer, loading room for the material, and shipping point, sorry, plant and shipping point. So we have maintained. This information, same for the second line item also we do. Second line item also we can give the shipping condition point. Every line item we maintain the shipping point. So we have maintained. Now after the inquiry, we create the quotation by this transaction code with the help of inquiry we have created and click on save. Now click on save. Quotation created. We go to the change mode of quotation, VA22, give the quotation number, enter, and there is a display document flow. Now you can see what is the status of inquiry. It is called completed, because we have converted the inquiry to the quotation. And quotation is still open because it's not converted to the order. When it converted to the order, it will also show completed, right? Inquiry is completed because we have converted to the quotation. Quotation also will be completed show when it converted to the sales order. Okay. Sales of PO. Now, let's see. Last we see sales order.
Sir, can we see the quotation print view?
Print preview.
Yeah. How it
Print
looks?
No, print preview we can't take here, but I'll show the option here because we have to do some configuration setting. Let me show you. In where extras, output, header, edit. This is the option we have to edit. Okay. I think in quotation, medium communication printout, partner function SP 1005, the customer, language English. 1 second. 01. One second. If page is there, then it will show. Some technical setting required. That's why sometimes it not work, sometimes see not working because of some technical page is missing. Okay. So when you have option here, click on extras, output, header, print preview. It shows the print preview. Two options, header, output, edit, first edit, then give the output type, medium communication print output, partner function, language. But there's some program is missing, so it's not coming. There's an option also, and here also option. Display output request. Output request means taking the printout. So I'll show the some other class, like we do some configuration for printing for the sales document. But that is only possible if a program is successfully maintained. If program is missing, system will not take. Okay. I'll show you. So this is the quotation we have converted to the order. Sorry, quotation completed. Now back to the sales order. VA01 create. Here also we give the order type GD or with create with reference, quotation number, search by customer. This is quotation number, copy. System asking which one? 1 second. Ability check. This is the quantity you asking to 20 to delivered, but 20 is not possible because of some setting of that date of delivery. So we have, yes, 21. We can select the 21. So we can, 21 is date of delivery here. You can see. Schedule line. 1 second. Double click on item 11, schedule line. Date of delivery will be not, 17 is not possible. We can give the date of delivery 21 or something. System accept. The second line item also, 21. This is ability check. This is ability check. Yes. Now here we have some of the other information required. Customer reference number. This is for reference purpose, for internal purpose. And if you want to go for the delivery block, we can have option to block for delivery. Suppose customer payment is not done and you want to block. We have option to block. Okay. Then there is a billing block. Suppose you want to billing block also, you have option. So we verify all the information and click on save. Once you click on save, system will generate the order number. Okay. Now we go to the change mode of order, VA02. Give the order number, enter. And if you click on display document flow, system will show inquiry is completed, quotation is also completed, but order is open. Order is open with, it's not yet converted to the delivery. Yeah, delivery is not completed, so it show open order. Right. Inquiry completed, quotation completed, order is still open because it moved to the delivery, then it will be show completed. Okay. So next class I'll show you without maintaining the quantity, we cannot process of delivery. Okay. Because see, one transaction code to see the stock overview, which is the transaction code MMB. MMBE give the number and plant and store location. I think store location. Excuse me. But the store location for plant we have GDS one something, GDS. And continue. See, no quantity, if quantity is not there, the delivery process is not done. So next class we'll see how to update the quantity in the system and we do the process of delivery. Right.
So the delivery, we have to give system information by manually.
Which one?
Like delivery date we have mentioned, like 22 August. So
no,
we have
system will
system to,
not manually. System will predefine delivery date. Suppose we have
if we fail to deliver, then
2 times. Yeah, 2 time delivery.
and
This
suppose
is called
20
availability.
on delivery we fail to deliver the material, then system will give the notification of completion.
Nahi, partial delivery in process. In process till complete delivery not done, it show in process, in progress, not in completely. Okay. See here.
तो कैसे पता चलेगा सिस्टम को कि अभी डिलीवरी हुआ नहीं है?
सिस्टम बोल तो रहा इन प्रोग्रेस बताएगा, तो इन प्रोग्रेस बता रहा ना उसमें बताएगा यहाँ पे अभी क्या बता रहा है यहाँ पे, जैसे कैसे बता रहा है ये कंप्लीटेड है ना, तो उसी तरह यहाँ पे बताएगा डिलीवरी इन प्रोग्रेस। अभी देखो यहाँ पे एक मिनट और एक ऑप्शन देखो, क्लिक ऑन दिस स्टेटस ओवरव्यू, हियर आल्सो सिस्टम शो, सी इन दिस आल्सो शो डिलीवरी confirm quantity, order quantity, but it not yet completed. Item data is not yet completed for any delivery process, है ना? See, delivery incomplete. See, incomplete process showing now. Here it show in process, incomplete, है ना? Like a partial delivery completed. It show everything show here, right? Suppose you have maintained the inquiry, so then it converted to the quotation. The quotation is converted, then it show the complete rate and it show the complete details. But here everything, see, not delivered. Delivery status also show not delivered. 00 quantity. It show na,
Yes,
right?
yes.
And even if a partial delivery done, so you can show the 50 quantity delivered or the 50 quantity not yet delivered. It show also, everything show. You can see the record. Okay? It show the status. And
Delivery process will be done by logistic team, no?
yes, logistic. No, delivery we issue the good by us, final
Yeah,
step.
by
But before issuing the
transportation.
good, they will do the process for
Yes.
updating the quantity and movement of the stock. They do. Okay, clear?
Okay, okay.
Uh, yeah.
Yes.
So don't worry, we'll see complete even for some of the logistic part. I will explain you how they meant
Okay.
for the delivery process do. Okay. So in next
Yes, sir.
class we'll see. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ठीक.
So can you share me
Okay.
that word files you have shared till BP code
Which one?
on email?
This one.
That word file you are showing me, na, for the explanation purpose.
अच्छा अच्छा
Everything
हाँ
is there, na, process
pricing
flow.
हाँ
Yeah,
pricing
yeah.
ना
So
this
till
this
BP
one
code
हाँ
you have shared. This one. So after
this one
that
also
we have
and this हाँ
till
three
BP code you have
document
shared me.
which one
Last,
business this one
I think the fourth or fifth recordings. BP code, business partner code is there, na? Till you have shared with
oh
me on email.
अच्छा business partner creation
Yeah. Till that you have shared with me. After that it is pending.
अच्छा ठीक है तो after that I will
Yeah.
share the sales
Yeah.
document for all. फिर after sales document we have item category schedule line and we
Yeah.
have a pricing all the document which I explained. I'll share that and this sales process document right.
Yes.
I'll share
Yes.
4 5 document I'll share today. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Sure. Okay.
Okay.
Then.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.